Speaking of Theresa May, we are getting a vote out of the UK Parliament. This general election vote does pass. 522 in favor, 13 against. So bring on June 8 and what's being called a very savvy political move by
Yeah, that was. I mean, I think that, boy, she's underrated. I do like the fact that the pound had a little bit of bounce there. But I also think that there is an inflation issue that they better stay focused on. The French election, obviously, this weekend. I wrote a piece for Real Money this morning about how we got it ever since Brexit from June. The hedge funds watch these elections very closely. But remember, Brexit 10 days later, wow, you didn't even see it on the chart.
Well, everybody got the response wrong to the unexpected outcome anyway.
Right.
Trump won. Everybody was like, oh, my God, the market's going to go down. And it did the opposite.
Well, I'm just saying we're prepped for the market to go down off of France. And maybe if there's a runoff of the extremes, which would not, my preference is not to have that happen. But you open down Monday and you buy it. I mean,
I wonder is that dynamic different in an environment where rates are ostensibly going up?
Well, I think you get, anyone who owns those French bonds buying buying U.S. bonds right here. I do think that the car registrations were extraordinary in Europe, that they have a bit of a boom going, but it's really obscured by the politics. I look at, there's a stock Ferrari, symbol race. Wow. I mean, look how that's doing. I mean, that is probably the best acting auto company in the world other than Tesla.
Yeah. Well, Europe, they're in a great spot, right? Growth and the inflation's not biting yet.
Yeah.
Although you mentioned Ferrari in Italy. People are worried about the elections there.
Well, I think that they should be worried less because they need the euro strong right now. They got to get their
You're not as worried.
They got to get their banking system right.
Some people say forget France. That's where you really
you have to worry. I mean, Italy. Doing some work in Italy, and I've got to tell you, they need to stay in that euro. They really do.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.